Hi everyone, I'm here with the May subscription kit preview. I love this kit. You're gonna kind of see there's some neutrals with some fun surprise pops of color that are just gonna be really fun and a little bit different to work with, so I'm excited. So let's start. We have some double pages. These are for your journals if you want. And you can print either another double page on the back, which will line up. At least it does in my printer, so hopefully. Or you can print a neutral on the back if you want. So let's breeze through those. We have several options. Look at that. There's one of the little pops of color. And then this has some kind of minty, there you go, a little green. So that's fun. Some pinks and reds and creams and aquas. I love this one right here with the stamp numbers. Some neutrally ones. And then we get into some papers, and you're gonna notice, I'm gonna try to get you a better view of that color. This is like a bright aqua. It's beautiful. Then we're having a few neutral shades as well to balance out those bright colors. This is a beautiful, it's a fairly bright red. And then another neutral. And we have some of this light aqua. Another fun neutral. I love this. I think this will just add so much character in so many different ways. So I think it was really beautiful. Okay, here's kind of like bringing it all together. This is your mini pops of colors. It reminds me of like circus. I love it. And it's unexpected, but it still goes. Like, I don't know, you're gonna love it. I love this pattern. We got another neutral and another neutral. We have another that's just some funky layered stamping. And this is some more of that kind of a bright green. Some more of that reddish. All right, then we have your envelopes. If you want to print the backing paper on it, then it's really nice because when you open the flap, you will see the flap. It will be printed. Now this is fun because with all that color, we thought it would be fun to have some black and white ephemera just to contrast with it. And these are just fun patterns. So we have that. We have some really funky fussy cuts that go with it. I love them. Here's some ephemera. You're gonna see a wide variety here. Some letters and postcards, and some botanical and some pops of color. Now this was something new for us, but we have some fun little black and white fairy ladies. So it's just different for us, but we've seen a lot of it around and we love them. They're really fun. So we're excited to learn and play with those. Here's some more fun fussy cuts. We've got some quotes and words, some fun ways to layer those. And I think this might be like my favorite page in the whole thing because I just look at these colors and I can't wait to just play with these. But you have your bright colors and you have some black and white to go with it, some ticket ephemera, just fun, really fun. All right, we have a couple of these with your pockets that you can use that as a backing paper and then things to stuff in your pockets. And I'm gonna just show you some of those colors a little better. It's really hard in this lighting. All right, oh, look how cute. Some more big pockets here. And you can print them smaller if you want smaller ones. And what is fun to do, that if you want, you can print a large set and then a small set and layer and play with that. So that's really fun. All right, let's see. We have file folder cards that are gonna go into your pockets that I'll show you. And this is fun because these are like tag pockets. They're shaped like tags, but those can go right in there and then you'll see that little file folder sticking out the side. So I've never really seen anything like that and I think it'll be really fun to play with. And we have some wonderful circles and some more layering. I love these pieces up here. Don't you just think those are going to be fun? I'm excited. I don't love cutting them out, but I always love the effect. Here's some really fun journaling cards. We've got some bigger ones. And again, if you need them smaller, you can print them smaller. But it's always nice to have some fun journaling cards. Here's the neutral journaling card collection too. So, oh, I'm a little close, huh? There we go. Fun, fun, fun. Couple more tiny envelopes with some cute ephemera that you can add to those to do some collage or layering or whatnot. Another set of envelopes that's tiny, just a slightly different design. Adding in some fun ephemera and those pops of color that are just throughout this whole thing. And then you have your file folders. You can use those in those side tags as well. And there's a few sets of these. You've got your right and your left and then your center. And look at that fun page. I love it. And this is, I love that too. So we're gonna have some fun projects with those. We have some of the folded journaling cards where you can use them for layering or as mini pages or as tuck spots, pockets, whatever you want. They're just handy to have. And now I thought this was really a fun idea that Elena had. There's some of the trifold journaling, and she printed a neutral on the back. I can show you. But then she has some really fun edging here, so that'll overlap this other one when you fold it, and it will just be, I think that will look really cute. And now we have some tags. Oh, if I turn it that way, you won't be able to see the whole thing. I'll keep it here. Just those fun, bold designs and pops of color. Some different shapes to go in some of the other different pockets. And here's your neutral, which is always handy because if you have a page with like a pocket that has a lot of color, it's nice to have some neutral tags for those. One more set of envelopes. I love these. I love this style because you don't have to use it as an envelope. You can use it as an interactive like page in your journal to just open up. Some neutral tags and ephemera. And I love this. These collage cards that you can use. They're kind of like pre-made master boards. So you can cut them into really anything you want. But do you love this? I love this butterfly with those pops of color. Anyway, these are going to be fun to play with. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited for this kit. I think it's going to be a kind of a creative stretch for me, but that's what I kind of love about it, is being encouraged to work with something that I normally might not gravitate to, but then I always end up just loving the results. So I'm really excited to play with this one and see what we can come up with. So I hope you love it, and I'll put the details down below for you if you want to either subscribe if you're not already, or if you want to just buy the kit on Etsy, I can link that up for you too. And we will talk to you later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.